What have you got going on here, love?
It's interactive.
And?
We're at the Broome Bird Observatory. And it will tell you how fast you can fly if you're a bird. So you have to stand on the footprints and flap your wings.
Well, show us how it's done then.
60 seconds, that's a lot of flapping.
So what we're missing is just the...
Just don't take off.
My arms flap.
Only for 60 seconds. It's going to be a long movie.
I couldn't migrate. I'm at 15 seconds and my shoulders are sore already.
I don't think we'll be taken off anywhere without a car.
Does it help if I bounce my knees?
And we get a result from this, do we?
We do. But we're 25 to go.
25 to go? This will be the longest movie in the world. Show us your flappers.
They're fluffing them out pretty well. Oh.
I don't think we'll be doing any walking after this.
Oh, God.
And what was the result?
I flew 1,946 metres.
Is that
It didn't tell me how fast I flew because it took me a while to work out how to read the screen.
how far did you fly?
1,946 metres.
Nearly 2 kilometres.
Nearly 2 kilometres.